Faith and Isaac are not going to win this battle. Hi, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 7th to the 11th of February 2022 on Monday. Funani remains steadfast in his pursuit of justice with no room for mercy. Despite what everyone asks of him, a worried Nomsa struggled to come to terms with Molefe's fate. Les chooses where her loyalties lie on Tuesday. Faith and Isaac fail in their plan to get the charges against Dorothy and Molefe dropped. Funani grapples with Lazarus' possible departure from House of Zwide. Nomsa learns about Molefe and Dorothy's relationship on Wednesday. Nomsa is heartbroken when she learns the real reason behind Molefe's arrest. Ria is in a panic as Funani refuses to drop charges. Meanwhile, Isaac makes a smart move to get the stolen gold back from Jonas. Les is ready to leave when Faith makes her an offer on Thursday. Funani rights his wrong. Molefe gets a warm welcome, but he still has to go and face the music with Nomsa. Nina does not mince her words, but the decision is still Lazarus. Isaac covers his tracks and Molefe faces his lies on Friday. Isaac thinks he is in the clear, but his secret is about to come bubbling out. Lazarus comes to realize that it's time to deliver. Molefe makes a full confession. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.